Hi, it's Rich Tehrani with TMC. We're at Telecom Exchange, New York, 2016. Al Bergio with Console is on our program today. Al, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for having me today.
Our pleasure. Tell me a little bit about your company, please.
Certainly. So Console was founded in 2011, and our main purpose is to help organizations directly connect to a global ecosystem of partners. This could be cloud infrastructure providers, SaaS providers, and other business-critical organizations in their supply chain. And we help them completely bypass the public internet, regardless of where they're located, and we made it as simple as clicking a few buttons.
So it's a private network, a virtual private? How does that work?
Yeah, it's completely private, so none of the connections between two organizations goes over the public internet. So private, so the benefits obviously are better security, better performance, a much more consistent user experience, capacity on demand as well. But we did some interesting things as well. We created virtual routing technology. We wanted that, as part of this process of company A connecting to company B, them not necessarily having to deal with all the configuration complexity. We have over 160 locations worldwide across the US, Canada, Europe, and the EMEA region. Recently started expanding in the Asia Pacific region. So it doesn't matter if, let's say, you're in New York and you want to connect to somebody in San Jose or London or Frankfurt. We create the virtual equivalent of companies, whether in the same city, the other side of the country, or the other side of the planet. The virtual equivalent of those organizations being in the same room together as if they had a wire between the two of them and not having to deal with any of the configuration complexity. So in some ways, it kind of feels like a social network in a sense.
So it's kind of like a meet me room that's almost a mobile meet me room, kind of.
Yes, yeah, in essence, yeah. And it's I know who I want to connect to. I log into the platform. I see them there. I click a button. They accept. I'm now directly connected. Don't have to necessarily find that needle in the haystack. Where is the edge of their network that I need to connect to? The platform knows all of that. You don't have to write any configuration. The platform will do that for you. And you have your private highway and data instantly moving. And all of this happens in seconds.
And typically, what kinds of companies would be customers?
So when you think of, in our particular case, what we see is enterprise connecting to enterprise, or enterprise connecting to cloud, or cloud connecting to cloud. And we have customers across various different industries and verticals. Started early. Our early adopters were content providers, cloud providers, and other network operators, service providers. But now, as the company's expanded, we're seeing organizations from various different industries, be it financial, education, airline industry, among many others.
So anything else we should know?
Well, we're the first platform of our kind, helping really bring visibility to what has historically been invisible. Somebody's looking for more information. They can meet us at console.to, and signing up is free.
I should just interject here. The domain name is console.to, the letter T, the letter O. Very cool. I've never seen that name before, or that suffix before. You want to tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So, our purpose is to directly connect. It's about everything direct connect. So, organizations will have their own profile page on our platform. So, look at it as, console to Company A, console to John Smith, console to everything direct connect. So it really fit with the theme of what we were doing, and so it's a really simple response, I guess, from that perspective.
Very cool. Thanks for visiting us today.
Oh, my pleasure. Thank you.